Hey guys, today let's learn how to make your own stickers on Discord. So if you want to go ahead and create your own stickers and use specific PNG files or specific photos or screenshots that you have on your PC or mobile device and use those as stickers on Discord, in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to do just that, so please watch until the end to learn how. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So the first step is to basically go ahead on to our Discord accounts and Discord applications, and once we're already here, I want you to tap on the server settings. So go ahead and tap on the the upper left corner of your screens so that you could see the server settings, and tap on the server settings. Over here on the top corner, let's tap on stickers. Over here on stickers, it actually explains to us that we have 5 free slots available for us to use as customized stickers. And if you want to earn more sticker slots, you do need to have at least 2 boosts. And for 15 sticker slots, you need 7 boosts. And for 30 plus sticker slots, you need 14 boosts. And boosts, you can acquire boosts from members of your own Discord server. But basically, for those 5 free slots available, in order for you to create your own sticker, all we need to do is to tap on Upload Sticker, and then go ahead and upload the preview file. And any file will do as long as it is going to be a photo. So let's go ahead and tap on a specific picture over here, and I think this is going to be good for us. And you could go ahead and also enter a related emoji, or you could also enter the sticker name. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and enter the sticker name, and let's put idle, and also a short description if you prefer to. And basically, you do need to enter a short description. Let's actually enter and describe this. I think this is Tom and Jerry. And you also do need a related sticker. So let's go ahead and choose a related sticker on here. And I think maybe any related sticker will do. In this case, just choose the one that is most related to your custom sticker. And then once that is all done, let's tap on upload, and that should be good to go. And that's basically it, guys. That is how you can add and create your own custom stickers on Discord. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one, and take care.